Hi everybody, Jason from Bex Marketing. I thought I would do a little quick video on setting up Facebook pixels. Relatively easy to do, so I'm going to go through an example here and then you can follow along. And then of course, if you have any questions, make sure you hit me up on comments or shoot me a quick email. Okay, so I just logged into Facebook and I went into Ads Manager. Um, when I go and click under this drop down here, I get this under assets, I can go under pixels, and here's where I can create my pixel. So it says create a Facebook pixel. I'm going to hit this button right here, and we'll let Facebook do its magic. And I'm going to hit copy and paste the code. So I'm going to show you a really easy way to apply this to your website. Okay, so before we add this code, we need to install a plugin. And the plugin that we want is called Add Func Head. Okay, I'm going to install it. Okay, and I'm going to activate it. Okay, now I'm going to get an option just under settings here. So heading and footer code. I'm going to go back to my Facebook ad manager. I'm going to copy the code and I'm going to apply it here and hit save. All right. So I'm going to go back to that Life Notes page and I'm just going to hit refresh just so you can see the change that happened on the back end over here. So right here, sort of towards the bottom of the page, right before the revisions, now I have the ability to add a little script to the header or the footer. So this becomes really handy when you want to start applying some event codes. So what's an event code? It's basically a trigger that allows you to measure when a certain event happens on a page. So let's find a really basic one. So for instance, on that Life Notes page, let's say what I want to do is I want to track people who go to that page and sort of categorize them as somebody who's going to initiate the checkout process and buy the Life Notes book. So all I need to do is just copy this code right here. So what I did was under the Facebook ad manager and under the install pixel category, what I did was I just went under the number 2 section here, install event code, copying it. So I've copied it, and I'm going to go back to the page, and I'm just going to paste it right here and hit update. Okay, so one last thing that we should do, just to make sure that all of our code is working properly, you should install on Chrome, you can install a little extension called Facebook Pixel Helper. So just search the Chrome store, install that, and then it's going to actually help you to see if your pixels are firing properly. Okay, so I'm going to open the website in a new tab. And what I should see is this little pixel helper firing right here. So what it's saying, it's like, okay, we're actually like, it's actually firing. It's firing and showing a page view. That's cool. That's good. Okay, let's look at the Life Notes project, and we should get 2 pixels firing here. And we do. So now what's happening is not only is it tracking the page view, but it's also categorizing an initiate checkout. So assuming that this is my initiate checkout page. Ideally, this is a place where somebody can click to and actually buy the product. Okay, anyways, if you have any questions at all, feel free to hit me up on the comments or shoot me an email. My Twitter handle is @JasonBeck, and that's it for this little demo on Facebook Pixels.